Alright, I want to go over the basic operation of this custom vacuum tool. It does have a quick change feature, so we have single line of heads and a dual line. Easy arm up-down controls. These are switched out basically for this different diameter of rolls. Go down on the part, one thing you'll note, you can start the vacuum with the grip button, you hear the pumps running, come down on, and the vacuum pumps shut off. That's because we have air-saving pumps. We also have our gripper safety circuit. You can't drop the part in midair, so I'm going to hit release. Will not drop. One cool feature, float mode. You grab anywhere on the part, you push the float mode button, grab anywhere on the part or on the tool, and you can move it up down. Take it out of float mode. You just hit the up or down button. Weight off the part. Now we come over here. Set the tool down. So we do, since it's quick change, we need to switch the air as well as the two pull pins. Put in the pull pins, connect the air, good to go. One thing I'm going to show you for different diameters, and it's listed, the different diameters, 10, 12, 16, and 20. So you've got your different diameters, and you just switch the heads, and they pivot up and down. So I'm going to come down. Pick that up. And that's the general operation of that tool.